everyone, it's Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Immersive Van Gogh experience. Before I get into all the details, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. So I attended the Immersive Van Gogh experience here in New York City when it was located at Pier 36. This was my first time at an immersive experience like this and it totally did not disappoint. So you're probably asking yourself, what is it? What is it all about? If you love art, especially Van Gogh's masterpieces, it's a very unique way to experience and appreciate his artwork. They project Van Gogh's artwork onto huge screen panels, and there's also curated music while you're looking at everything, and it's such a different way to appreciate his work. A few famous pieces that you will be able to see during this experience is the Potato Eaters, Starry Night, Sunflowers, and the Bedroom. You get to see all the brush strokes and the color used in his art very vividly, and it's such a spacious place that you just get lost in the art. I found it to be so relaxing just walking around and seeing everything, just taking everything in. So at the time they were still checking vaccination cards to enter, and they also gave us a cushion once we entered the experience so we can sit comfortably and enjoy everything. There were social distance circles, so you had your personal space, and there were also chairs available if you just wanted to sit on a chair. Or I did find this experience really relaxing with all the lighting and the music that they had. But they also had yoga sessions on certain days and certain times within this experience, which I thought was really cool and something different I've never heard of seen before. I personally did not attend any yoga sessions, but that's something to keep in mind if that's offered in your location. So after the experience is over, you have to return the cushion that they gave you in the beginning and you get a free poster, which I thought was cool. Then you're led into the gift shop, which was absolutely huge. There were so many things that they were selling, but that's something to keep in mind if you are interested in getting anything from the gift shop. They have tons of choices. So here are a few clips of the Van Gogh immersive experience here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to experience this immersive Van Gogh experience yourself, go to their website and get your tickets there. They do have this experience in many cities across the United States and other countries as well. Hopefully you guys can check it out in a place nearby where you live. Leave a comment down below if you've ever been to an immersive experience like this before. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Ciao!